You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English. If you want to learn more names that are confusing indeed, stay tuned. Pronounced generally, that's the name of a Hitchcock movie. Marnie. Now in American English it's more commonly pronounced as Marnie. It rhymes with starry or Barney. Marnie, American English, or Marnie, British English pronunciation. How to pronounce in English? Marnie. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.